Okay, so this video is going to show you a quick alternative on how to install a aftermarket temperature sensor. So basically these are the ones you just buy off AutoZone, O'Reilly's, or your local parts store. Um, I use this little access port that goes through the firewall to actually connect this into the drain plug on the block. And so I was able to, push it through and feed it across the engine bay off to the passenger side of the motor. The drain plug is located underneath the exhaust manifold, and so this is actually the second time I install this sensor, because the first time the first sensor went bad, and so I think it's because of all the heat. As you can see, I put a little heat shield, and so that's where the drain plug goes, and the kit comes with like three little screws that will be able to fit with the thread on the block. And so right here I'm connecting a light that comes with the sensor. I'm able to find a ground wire really fast, and I find a power wire on the brake pedal. And so what that will allow me to do is to see the gauge at night, which is really important. And there it is, installed and pretty much running. And so I use this because it was just a quick way to um, find a temperature on the motor, and I had just purchased this car, and I just didn't have time to look on how to fix it, so I thought this was a great way to show everyone what I did. That said, you do have to screw the gauge in somewhere, and I just screwed it onto the dash. I really didn't care. And my car is at a steady 190. If it's in traffic, it will go up a little bit, but no issues with any inconsistencies. It's always just set at that mark, unless, again, I'm at full-blown heat in traffic.